Hey, so what's up? Another quick review. You guys can tell by the bag, it's an MCM product. So yeah, I just got this for Christmas as a gift. You know, Christmas just passed. So we'll open it up. It's the typical MCM box there, you can see. And then inside, you know, comes with all the extra shenanigans and stuff they give you. The wrap, this, that. You already know like the tag, I guess, if you want to put a message because it was a gift. So yeah, let's get into it. So yeah, I got a little card holder, you know, a nice black one too. And if you've seen my other videos, I got the black Vasetto's belt, so it'll be nice to match it with. So it's pretty cool. And then I also just got the backpack, but the backpack's not black. If you've seen, it's kind of olive. But yeah, let's get into it. So here you can see it comes with like cloth protector, as most of their products do. And then here we go. It's nice and black with, you know, their infamous, you know, cognac color right along here. So it looks like this has about 3 slots on each side, so it'll hold about 6 cards. Or you could always double up, you know. But yeah, so not much to it, just a basic, you know, simple card holder, nice and clean. And then also in the box here, got those authenticity cards and the cards that tell you how to take care of it and all that stuff. So this the first one, has the person's, what is it? Has the name and stuff on it. Person that sold it to me, the date, I'll show you a close up of that later. And then yeah, this one just straight says MCM on it. But yeah, I'll give you the close-ups and everything. But again, the leather quality, I'm liking it, just like on the belt and on the backpack. Like their leather quality, in my opinion, is second to none. So, and you already know this is gonna get a lot of burn. But yeah, I'll show you what the close-ups looks like. Some detailed shots just now.